Remove the 5 buckles first, and then remove the plastic guard. Remove 7 screws. Remove 4 screws on the left and right sides. Remove the bottom 4 screws. Unplug the radar cable. Loosen the clips and remove the front bumper. Unplug the turn signal plug first. Remove a total of 43 screws on the back. Remove the wiring harness for easy follow-up operations. Remove the turn signal. Loosen a few buckles and then take out the plastic parts. Remove the clip nuts of the plastic parts. Align the buckle position and install the daytime running lights. Install the clip on the daytime running lights. Replace the original car screws and wiring harnesses. Take out the grille and chrome strips. Remove the 8 screws. Replace the daytime running lights. Replace the original screws and the original chrome strip. Replace the original grille. Wiring diagram. Connect the daytime running lights to the adapter cable. Connect the turn signal to the adapter cable. Open the fuse box. Wrap the adapter wire clips around the fuse to connect the power. Clamp the adapter cable and tighten it. Connect the lights on 2 sides with an adapter cable. The adapter cable is connected to both ends of the headlight plug. Arrange and fix the wiring harness. Replace the front bumper. Replace the radar cable. The installation is complete.